Hi folks, it's Adrian from Cademy with an update on what we've been working on for the last 7 days. This week, we've done a lot of smaller improvements throughout the system, but also quite a big new feature which we call, what do we call it? I guess confirmation message templates. So this is the area now when you edit or create a course, you now have the option to adjust the confirmation message that gets sent to the person who books. So if you need to include details of how they can get to wherever the course takes place, or details to a link where they can join the class, you can add that into your confirmation message that gets sent on the back of a booking. So you can see there is quite a simple interface here. You come and you actually see a preview of what that message is going to look like when it gets sent to the student. So you've got a little drop down here at the top right where you can flick through and pick whatever template you want to use to message them. So this is quite cool. You can at a glance select a template, see what they're going to get, and save. Now, if you want to make a change to a template, let's say, you simply click here and we enter the edit mode. So we've got a few mail merge tags here that allow you to personalize this. Now you see that as soon as I kind of made a change, I'm no longer using a template. So I've used the template as a starting point, and now I can personalize it the way I want. So I can just click here and it's going to add the mail merge tag right into my template, and I can also just drag and drop stuff in here. If I want to do a little signature, I can just do that like so. So nice and simple. You can see that there's some rich formatting here, so I can do lists, I can do links, templates, links, tables, and so on right within the editor here. So once I'm done editing my template, I can either update the template from which I started, or save it as a new one, so to use later on. Nice and simple. In this case, I just want to use one of my existing templates, so I just pick one from the list. And the cool thing is that if your course is using a set template, if you at some point in the future go and update a template, we'll update that across all the courses that use it. So it's nice and easy. So I think that's pretty much it for this week. Now, there's not going to be an update next week. We're going to take a 2-week sprint instead to work on something bigger that's quite exciting. So stay tuned.